That's on me, ayy. All chained up, he on lockdown. He find God now. On my way up. The highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. The highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. Any day could've been dead. High school price on my head.
Hop, bon, petit instant culture pour vous parler un peu de l'opéra et de cette belle architecture. Donc l'opéra, il a été créé par un Danois, donc Jørn Utzon, qui a été sélectionné donc, parmi 233 autres architectes, un concours d'architecture en 1955. Et ensuite, suite à sa nomination, il est arrivé en 1957 à Sydney pour superviser la construction de l'opéra.
Du coup, il a été construit surtout pour pouvoir accueillir une grande représentation théâtrale et musicale. Et donc, c'est un lieu qui se devait d'être grand pour pouvoir accueillir de grandes
représentations. I just saw Jizzy got a plane. Guess that's what he meant when he said nothing was the same. Lately I've been grounded, energizing off the pain. Some things gon' change, I'm just soaking up the game. Through the mud, out the rain, like I remember all those same nights. Now I'm on top, no stage fright. Now I'm on go, no brake lights. Hit the pedal, hit the engine roar. No fear like a matador. Breaking trends and I'm making more. Going up, climbing ladders more. I can't be stopped. Now I do what I want. Real, no front. All the way to the top. Highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now. That's on me, ayy. The highs with the lows. That's like these days. World chained up, he on lockdown. Phone call 3 ways. I just pray that he find God now. It's no replay. On my way up to the top now.